Hey everyone, it's Lethal Logic X. Welcome back to another Quick Pick Thursday. So today I have this cruddy little Brinks lock. This is just a 40mm laminated steel Brinks padlock, and we're going to see just how easy it is to get into this lock. So we'll use top of the keyway tension and my favorite pick. Get a little click on 1, a little click on 2, we'll click on 3, a bit of a movement on the core, click on 4, and it's open, just like that. Well, that was a little too easy. Let's see if we can get in here with a rake. Just like that. That is easy. Let's do one more pick just for good measure. Same tension, and we'll use this little snowman pick. Just like that. Alright, so that is all I have for you on this Brinks 40mm laminated steel padlock. Don't buy one of these. If you want to keep something secure, don't buy one of these. Alright, that's all I have, so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and don't forget to have a good one.